Hello friends, welcome to Engineering World. Today I'm continuing with my next lecture of rocket science and engineering, and today I will discuss some basic and brief discussion of rocket nomenclature and its anatomy. So first of all, I will discuss what is structure. Structure is basically the outer part of the rocket that help to protect the inner machinery of the rocket. So it include all fairings and interfaces where different part of the rockets are connected to each other. And next is the propulsion term is used for the fuel of the rocket. So it is basically the area where the fuel of the rocket get burnt in the presence of oxygen. So it contains combustion chamber. Nozzle is the area from where the escape gases come out of the rocket. Oxidizer is the liquid oxygen that supplies oxygen to the fuel. Power could be batteries that help to light up all the components of the rocket that are electrical in nature, that provide electricity to the rocket. Uh, Guidance, navigation and control contains the altitude control system, reaction control system and the thrust vector control. So these all systems help in the proper functioning of the rocket that decides its trajectory in space. And payload is the main thing that of the rocket that take a crew, the rover and the other instrument to the outer space. Command and data handling are the computers that help to give command to the rocket from the ground station and supply them various data related to the figures involved in the trajectory of the rocket. Communications is the way the ground staff communicate with the rocket. So it includes radio, low and high gain antennas because they are going into outer space. So we cannot communicate them via telephone or WhatsApp, something like that. So these are the antennas, special antenna designed for communication purposes. And re-entry system, these are the rockets that return the payload safely to the earth. So it includes the orbital maneuvering system that helps the rocket to enter into the earth orbit, braking system that help the rocket to reduce its speed because when it enter into the earth orbit because of the gravity it attains very high speed, and ceramic shields are used to protect the rocket from the heat of the atmosphere because when it enters because of the friction of the air, rocket can catch fire. So these shield protect the rocket. Emergency system are the abort system that are now uh, installed in the modern rocket that help the crew member to get separated from the rest of the rocket in case of any emergency explosion, to land back the payload onto the earth because the rocket is coming at very high speed, so it needs some sort of device that help to reduce its speed. So it includes parachutes, wings and airbags to protect the crew member from the high speed of the outer atmosphere. So these are all the components that are involved in the rocket, and we will discuss them further as we move further in this course. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.